What's poppin', devs? It's your front-end development guy, Leandro, back with another exciting episode of Angular Mystery Box. Before we leap into today's tech adventure, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for the latest in Angular content. Today, we're exploring the core of the Angular architecture, Angular modules, the essential building blocks for structuring your Angular applications. Now, Angular modules are akin to the architectural blueprint of your application. Imagine constructing a high-tech skyscraper. You need a detailed plan. In Angular, modules lay out the plan, defining how components, services, directives, and pipes are grouped and interconnected in your application. Modules are pivotal because they bring order and clarity. They're the organizational framework dividing your code into logical sections. For instance, NgModule for bootstrapping feature modules for specific functionalities, and shared modules for reusable code. It's like having a meticulous, organized digital workshop where every tool serves a unique purpose. Alright, now let's talk scalability. Angular modules are like a tech-savvy version of Lego. Start small and expand effortlessly. Each module can be developed and tested independently, making your app not just scalable, but maintainable and test-friendly. Enter the realm of lazy loading. A game changer in performance optimization. Modules can be set to load on demand, reducing the initial load time and improving user experience. It's like having a smart energy grid, where power is supplied exactly where and when it's needed. But wait, there's more. Angular modules are the cornerstone for features like dependency injection, which streamlines the management of services and provides greater control over scoping, having an AI assistant in your app efficiently managing resources. In summary, Angular modules are not just a structural element, they're a strategic toolkit enabling you to build sophisticated, high-performance web applications. They're the canvas on which you paint your app's functionality, style, and behavior. That wraps up our deep dive into modules. If you found this exploration enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Keep pushing the boundaries of web development, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the journey of coding. Peace out.